The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is a captivating blend of classic elegance and modern innovation, and in today's review, we'll explore what makes this iconic car stand out. Citroen has always been known for its daring designs, and the DS21 Coupe takes that legacy forward, delivering a car that's not only visually striking but also packed with forward-thinking technology and performance enhancements. Starting with the design, the 2025 DS21 Coupe draws clear inspiration from its heritage. The sleek, flowing lines pay homage to the classic DS models, while modern elements like slim LED headlights, a wide stance, and a minimalist grille bring it firmly into the 21st century. The coupe silhouette is gracefully sculpted, ensuring it's aerodynamic yet timeless. Step inside, and you're greeted by a beautifully crafted cabin that merges retro charm with cutting-edge features. The leather upholstery is of the highest quality, and the minimalist dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen, seamlessly integrating the infotainment and vehicle controls. Citroen has also taken care to ensure the interior is as comfortable as it is stylish, with plenty of space for both driver and passengers. Under the hood, the DS21 Coupe is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine, delivering around 250 horsepower. This gives the car enough punch to satisfy driving enthusiasts, while maintaining the smooth, effortless ride that Citroen is known for. It's a car designed to glide along highways and conquer city streets with equal ease, thanks to its advanced suspension system that adapts to different road conditions, ensuring a comfortable and controlled ride. The handling is sharp for a car of its size, making it as enjoyable to drive as it is to look at. Performance aside, the 2025 DS21 Coupe also comes with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assistance and automatic emergency braking, Citroen has left no stone unturned in ensuring both safety and convenience. This car is designed for the modern driver who appreciates a balance of classic style and contemporary tech. Now let's talk about one of the DS21 Coupe's unique selling points: its hybrid powertrain option. Citroen has recognized the importance of sustainability, offering a plug-in hybrid variant that provides an electric-only range of about 50 miles. This makes it perfect for urban commutes, helping reduce emissions while still delivering the power you need for longer drives when necessary. As we wrap up, the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe proves to be a remarkable evolution of an automotive icon. It's a car that appeals to both the heart and the mind, blending beautiful design, strong performance, and innovative technology. Whether you're a fan of Citroen's rich history or simply looking for something different in today's market, this car offers something special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews like this. Feel free to drop your thoughts about the DS21 Coupe in the comments below.